My name's Paul Bennett, work for Gemini Tec. Our core business has become assembly, box builds, testing. We want to be as professional as possible. We do a vast array from medical, military, commercial, everything basically. Any spec that the customer comes up with regards to specific tracking, groups, class of nets, it can be impedance control, differential pairs, plane inductance, that sort of thing. That's what we have to conform to. Altium rules help us along with that. It's got a very user-friendly design rules system where you can literally set up anything you like by cut and pasting. After selecting something, we can set any rule we like up for differential pairs, impedance control. The layer stack manager's been enhanced, so to conform to manufacturing and customers' requirements is quite an easy thing to do with the rules Altium gives you. One of my favourite parts is the 3D side of things, and that's what customers really like. When you give them a step file back, it helps us check our library shapes, it helps them, they put it into SolidWorks, they come up with a problem they wouldn't have known without the step file. That is extremely beneficial to all. It's simplicity. It's you get the feeling as a designer it's been written by a designer rather than a software graduate. It makes sense, and anything you're not sure how to do, it really doesn't take you long to fathom out, because it doesn't take long to pick anything up. Everything's common sense with it. If you don't know how to do anything, it doesn't take you long to find out. From my point of view, it's extremely user friendly compared to the other software I've used. We pay an annual fee and we get live updates, software updates by email. On every update the libraries are updated and there's enhancements made to keep up with today's electronic technologies in both manufacture and assembly. If you don't update, there is a danger of falling behind with your software, and then it takes you much longer to play catch up. So in our field as a service bureau, we've got to be up to date as fully as possible to keep up with demand from the customers. We have Altium to satisfy our CAD customer database. Probably 98% of them use Altium. Altium we see as the market leader, so we've got to follow the trend, go with the flow, and that's why we've got Altium. As far as from Gemini Tech's point of view, the support we get from Premier EDA is second to none. It's virtually instant. If there's anything you need, they'll let you have it straight away by email, any answers to any questions. Compared to other systems we've used, it's outstanding, so buy it. Simple as that. The versatility of it and the price structure and the benefits you get out of it, I haven't seen another system like it. The comparable system seems to have fallen by the wayside, and the high-end systems, they don't do hardly anything that you can't do on Altium. And it's just the high-end systems are so restrictive that they're not workable as far as we're concerned in a bureau environment. So Altium satisfies our needs. Anyone who was thinking of buying it, I would say you regret it if you don't.